What exhaust is that?
It's a Hellcat OEM catback and American Racing longtube headers. 9-foot exhaust, longtube headers, bunch of tunes.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Get it.
Yeah. Yeah. Rev it up, boy. Thanks, bro.
Everything, long tubes, tuned on 91.
You put long tubes?
Long tubes with catless mids.
What exhaust are you running?
This one is long tube headers with cats and then custom out the side.
Oh, it's dumping off the side.
Dumping out the side.
Nice. Not bad. Not bad. That's sick.
Yeah.
How much horsepower is in there?
Yeah.
This one's around 600 at the crank.
About 600? Yeah.
Any drone on the highway? A little bit, yeah.
Not that low.
Yeah, yeah.
But we had to do fuel cell in the back.
Yeah.
You can't have the pipes that close to the.
Right, right.
Custom 2.5-inch headers, they're huge.
Yeah,
Each pipe's like that big.
Yeah.
To 3.5 back and then 3 at the back.
Amazing. Nice meeting you, man. Let's go, bro. I can't hear you. Wow.
Quiet.
Borla?
Borla?
Borla, yeah.
Yeah.
Catback?
4 Borla mufflers. American Racing long tube headers.
4 Borla?
Yes.
You didn't want to go eight mufflers?
Yeah. This is the quiet system.
Oh, it's the quiet system.
This is the quiet
You
system.
didn't want to get in trouble, that's why, right?
It's loud now.
Yeah, 100%. So 4 mufflers on this quiet one, eh?
Yeah. And
So-
and cats.
And cats, yeah. Amazing. I love this build. It's great.
Put in heads,
Wow.
headers,
Everything.
custom gram cam.
Yeah. MBRP3, I'm sure.
3-inch, yeah.
You'll see these with MBRP.
And I'm running
Great.
cats.
No.
And I'm running cats.
Can we hear it?
Yeah,
That'd be great.
It's
It's
very,
good to
it's
start.
very mild.
Not bad. Does it have a whine to it? Like a supercharger one? Yeah? Wow. And we're running cats
Yeah, I'm
because
running cats.
you love the environment, right?
That's right.
Exactly.
That's aggressive.
What exhaust you got on that bad boy?
Borla attack.
Oh, Borla?
And then it's got a cam in it too.
That one, eh?
Size
Mm.
cam.
Damn, bro. Damn.
Yo, legit, bro. That's so loud.
Not quiet.
Yo, you got it. So you run some boost?
Yeah, I'm running Pro Charger.
Yep, flow charger.
Pro Charger.
Oh, nice, bro.
Charged.
Did you do the internals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fully forged internals, cam,
Boom.
headers, cataly.
Yeah.
I got everything. Fucking fast, man.
Dude. Dude. You have Hellcats run for their money?
640 to the wheel, 768 to the frame.
Nice ride, bro.
Thanks, buddy.
What kind of exhaust is that?
It's a Hellcat OEM catback and American Racing long tube headers.
Nice. That's not bad, bro.
Yo, man, don't leave it idling, man. You don't want the tip.
That's crazy. What year is this thing, man? It's great.
2012.
2012?
Yeah.
Where'd you find it?
I bought it in 13.
What's up, bro?
What's going on?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Things fierce, man. Oh, we pulled, dog. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, motherfucker. Sharp, bro. What the yeah, boy. Yeah, look at that. Woo! It's freaking loud. Shit, dude. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Dude, it's so loud, man.
It's loud, eh?
How is it in the cabin?
It's not bad. You got to go past, like, have it bounce off something around you. Like, you can hear it, but it's not like when we drove across here and I was behind. It was like, but it's still.
It's good that your tips go past your body, like the body.
Yeah, there's no resonation.
Yeah. Oh,
That's loud, man. What? Dude. That's a bit much, bro.
oh, dude, that's so loud.
I like how it pushed the button.
And it pushed it even more. But yeah, not like half an inch or something, eh?
Well, before you couldn't really see that, Gator.
Yeah, it was like
so more than half an inch, 2 inches.
That's good.
That's crazy. Good job. I definitely want to hear that on like cruising and different like RPMs. Yeah.